Hello, I'm Sarah, a woman created entirely by artificial intelligence tools. Everything you see and hear in this video is a result of the amazing capabilities of AI technology. I know it might seem a little strange or even unbelievable that I'm not a real person, but trust me, the technology behind my creation is very real. From my voice, face, and facial expressions to the script, every aspect of this video was made possible by the power of AI. The creator behind this video wanted to showcase the incredible potential of AI technology and what it can do when put to use creatively. And I must say, I'm honored to be the star of the show. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of the video as I take you on a journey through the wonderful world of artificial intelligence.
All that you have seen have been made by AI. As you can see, AI technology is constantly improving, and in this video, I will show you the entire process I followed to make this short animated video that combines the use of 4 AI tools: Midjourney, ChatGPT, 11 Labs, and DID. First, we need an image. It doesn't matter if you are using Midjourney or Stable Diffusion AI models, but you need to get a realistic-looking portrait. This is key for good-looking animation. I created this portrait of a young woman using the Midjourney AI model and wrote a short script in ChatGPT that you heard at the start of this video. It only took me a few minutes, and the most difficult part was finding the right text prompts. In the next step, we will need to take the script and use realistic voiceover software. I prefer to use 11 Labs, as this tool offers one of the most realistic voiceovers I've encountered, and the good news is that you can try it for free. So, let's go into the tool's interface and copy the text that ChatGPT has created for me. Then, you need to select the voice and adjust the voice settings. In my experience, stability of 25% and clarity of 80% works great. The last thing we need to do is click on Generate.
Hello, I'm Sarah, a woman created entirely by artificial intelligence tools. Everything you see and hear in this video is a result of the amazing capabilities of AI technology.
As you can hear, this voice is quite realistic and I like it, so I downloaded it to my computer. The last AI tool we will be using today is called DID. This is a pretty expensive tool, but it has a free trial version where you can generate 5 minutes of the video. Just open a new account, go to the main interface, and click on the Create Video option. Now you get a selection of pre-made avatars or the option to upload your photo. As you can see, I have uploaded my own generated image, and in the next step, we should use a voice that will be part of the resulting animation. While you can use some of the pre-made voices, I'm using the voice from 11 Labs and uploading it to the DID platform. Once all is uploaded, it is time to generate the video. After a brief period, the video is complete and we can preview it and download it.
Hello, I'm Sarah, a woman created entirely by artificial intelligence tools.
As you can see from the resulting video, the animation is still robotic and can easily be identified as an AI talking head. Please keep this in mind. I hope you liked the video, and if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply.